Hello guys, you are welcome to solve this math problem, which is if a square plus 3a is equal to 1000 crore 99,998, then find the value of a. So student, today in this video I am telling you how to find the value of a from this quadratic equation. Our given algebraic equation is a square plus 3a is equal to 1000 crore 99,998. To find the value of a from this equation, so first of all we have to transpose 1000 crore 99,998 from right hand side to left hand side. Then the left hand side will becomes a square plus 3a minus 1000 crore 99,998 is equal to 0. So student, on the left hand side of this equation, the coefficient of a square is 1 and the constant term is 1000 crore 99,998. According to middle term factor rules, we have to find the product of the coefficient of a square and the constant term 1000 crore 99,998. Product of coefficient of a square and the constant term 1000 crore 99,998 is 1000 crore 99,998. To find the factor of this number whose difference is 3, now we can write from this number 1000 crore plus 99,998. In the place of 1000 crore we can write in here 1 lakh times 1 lakh plus 99,998. So after that we can write in here 1 lakh times 1 lakh plus, and in the place of 99,998 we can write in here 1 lakh minus 2. So after that we can write in here 1 lakh to the power 2 plus 1 lakh minus 2. And according to middle term factor rules, we can write from this algebraic expression 1 lakh whole to the power 2 plus 2 minus 1 times 1 lakh minus 2 is equal to, again we have to write 1 lakh whole to the power 2 plus 2 times 1 lakh minus 1 lakh minus 2. So now we can write from this algebraic expression 1 lakh times 1 lakh plus 2 minus 1 times 1 lakh plus 2. So student, in this algebraic expression, in both terms, the common factor is 1 lakh plus 2. So now we can write from this algebraic expression 1 lakh plus 2 times 1 lakh minus 1. So we get from this algebraic expression 1 lakh plus 2, that is 1 lakh 2 times 1 lakh minus 1, that is 99,999. The factor of this number are 1 lakh 2 and 99,999. If you subtract both numbers, then you get 3. So we can write from this equation a square plus, in the place of 3 we can write in here 1 lakh 2 minus 99,999 times a minus, in the place of this number we have to write 1 lakh 2 times 99,999 is equal to 0. So we can write from this equation a square plus 1 lakh 2 times a minus 99,999 times a minus 1 lakh 2 times 99,999 is equal to 0. Student, on the left hand side of this equation, in first two terms the common factor is a. So we can write from the first two terms a times a plus 1 lakh 2 minus, and algebraic expression in the place of last two terms the common factor is 99,999. So we can write from the last two terms 99,999 times a plus 1 lakh 2 is equal to 0. On the left hand side of this equation, in both terms the common factor is a plus 1 lakh 2. So now we can write from the left hand side of this equation a plus 1 lakh 2 times a minus 99,999 is equal to 0. So student, according to zero product rule, we can write from this equation a plus 1 lakh 2 is equal to 0 and a minus 99,999 is equal to 0. We can write, so we get from the first equation a is equal to minus 1 lakh 2, and from second equation we can write, and from second equation we get a is equal to 99,999. So student, the value of a is, so student, in the given equation the value of a are minus 1 lakh 2 and 99,999. So student, our answer is complete. If you like this video and if you like this trick, so please support me and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.